TypeScript is amazing, but in order to work with it efficiently, I strongly recommend that you also have a powerful code editor, a powerful IDE. And here, my clear recommendation is Visual Studio Code. It's free to use, and it has amazing TypeScript support built in. Now, you still need to install the TypeScript compiler, and we already did this. But this has the built-in support, which shows you a lot of errors directly in the IDE before you even compiled the project. So you can simply visit code.visualstudio.com, and there you can download it for any operating system and simply walk through the installer there to get this modern IDE. Now, it is the IDE I will be using throughout this course, and you can fine-tune and configure it to your requirements and needs. Here are just some settings I'm using. Under Code Preferences, you can change the color theme, and there I am using the Dark Plus theme. So if you want the exact same look, that's the theme I'm using, but of course you can also play around with any other theme here. I also installed certain extensions, so third-party plugins, so to say, which change the appearance or behavior of the editor. You can click on View and then Extensions to be taken to the Extensions menu or the marketplace, and it's all free, no worries, nothing here costs you money. Now, I got tons of extensions installed, but the extensions I would recommend that you definitely have a look at is ESLint, that you install this to get linting, to get code quality check support in your projects, and that you install the material icon theme if you like these file icons I have in my projects. That's a pure visual thing, of course. It doesn't change any behaviors. And I can also recommend Path IntelliSense, so that later in the course, once we work with imports, you get better support there. And Prettier, which helps you format your code so that it always looks nice and is readable. Prettier works together with a certain shortcut, which you should be aware of, under Preferences, Keyboard Shortcuts. There, if you search for Format Document, this shortcut here is a shortcut you can always press in your code to auto-format it, to add missing semicolons, to make sure you use the right indentation everywhere, things like that. It makes your code more readable and your life as a developer easier. And that's it. You can also install TSLint, but that will be merged with ESLint in the future, so ESLint should be all you really need. With that, we can go back to View, Explorer, and you should have the same settings I have here, but also dive into the settings in general and explore them and fine-tune everything to your needs and to your likings. And with that, you have a great editor which allows you to write great code, powerful code with a lot of built-in TypeScript support, and you're well prepared to get the most out of this course.